ITI, COPA, Trade Theory Model Question Paper, August 2015, Semester 1. Question number 1. Expansion of ALU is dash. Answer A. Arithmetic Logic Unit. Question number 2. High level language can be dash. Answer A. Translated into machine language. Question number 3. In WordPad, Ctrl plus P is the shortcut for dash. Answer B. Print. Question number 4. Check disk utility is used for dash. Answer A. Checking disk space. Question number 5. Plotter is used for printing dash. Answer B. Vector graphics. Question number 6. Ctrl plus C is equivalent to dash. Answer B. Copy. Question number 7. Which is the process to move selected text from one place to another in the document? Answer D. Cut and paste. Question number 8. Spacing between lines in a Word document is called dash. Answer A. Spacing. Question number 9. In Word, which is used to replace a word with its synonym? Answer A. Thesaurus. Question number 10. A collection of worksheets is known as dash. Answer B. Workbooks. Question number 11. In Excel, the interaction of a row and column is called as dash. Answer A. Cell. Question number 12. In MS Excel, to enter a formula in a cell, it must be begin with entry with an operator dash. Answer A. Equal. Question number 13. 10 January is entered using which format? Answer D. MMDDYY. Question number 14. The Microsoft Clip Gallery allows to dash. Answer D. For design. Question number 15. Shortcut to add a new slide is dash. Answer A. Ctrl plus N. Question number 16. To run a presentation repeatedly, the chosen option is dash. Answer A. Loop continuously until escape. Question number 17. In PowerPoint, bevel option is available under dash. Answer D. 3D format. Question number 18. In PowerPoint, glow effect is available under dash. Answer A. Shape effect. Question number 19. Which key uniquely identifies each record? Answer A. Primary key. Question number 20. Microsoft Access is a dash. Answer A. Or DBMS. Question number 21. Which of the following database object hold data? Answer D. Tables. Question number 22. Which object is used to create a form? Answer A. Table and queries. Question number 23. HTTP stands for dash. Answer A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 24. Which of the following is the fastest media of the data transfer? Answer D. Fiber optic. Question number 25. A distributed network configuration in which all data information pass through a central computer is called as? Answer C. Star network. Question number 26. Which layer of the OSI model must be accessed first? Answer D. Network. Question number 27. www stands for dash. Answer A. World Wide Web. Question number 28. Open tag title and close tag title must be within dash. Answer B. Header. Question number 29. What is the search engine? Answer B. A website that searches anything. Question number 30. Which of the following performs modulation and demodulation? Answer D. Modem. Thank you.